Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Have you ever found yourself heading straight from work to a dinner event and wondering how to make your work outfit dinner appropriate? We've got you covered. In today's video, we are sharing 6 essential tips on how to effortlessly transition your work dress into a stylish look that's perfect for dinner. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss our latest fashion tips. Tip 1. Accessorize wisely. First up, accessories can make all the difference. Swap out your simple work earrings for something more eye-catching. Add a statement necklace or bold earrings to elevate your look instantly. Tip 2. Switch up your shoes. Your shoes can completely transform your outfit. Keep a pair of sleek heels or chic flats at work to switch into before dinner. This small change can make a huge impact. Tip 3. Layer with a stylish jacket. A blazer is great for the office, but for dinner, try a leather jacket or a tailored coat. It adds a touch of sophistication and makes your outfit more evening appropriate. Tip 4. Adjust your makeup. A quick makeup touch-up can take your look from day to night. Add a bold lip color or a bit of eyeliner to refresh your look for dinner. Tip 5. Change your bag. Switching your work tote for a clutch or a smaller, more stylish handbag can really dress up your outfit and make it feel more appropriate for a dinner setting. Tip 6. Add a belt. Adding a belt can change the silhouette of your dress, making it look more tailored and polished for dinner. It's a simple trick but very effective. And there you have it, 6 easy tips to help you transition your work dress to a dinner-ready outfit. With just a few tweaks, you can go from professional to polished and be ready for any evening plans. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more fashion advice and inspiration. What's your go-to trick for transitioning from work to dinner? Let us know in the comments below. See you in the next video.